I'm about to install a factory integrated reverse camera into this BMW X1. So what I'm going to do is show you how it is before the installation is carried out. So if I now put it into reverse, it comes up with the imagery of the vehicle with the parking sensors. The camera is going to replace the boot release button, which is just here. Well, the installation is now complete. Let me show you. So I'm just going to put it into reverse, and now we have a reverse camera. And as you can see, the original parking sensors symbol is still there. That hasn't disappeared, but it's obviously gone a little bit smaller. And if we turn the steering wheel, it also has the guidance line with the steering wheel. Right, let me show you the camera. Camera's just there. So that's the BMW part that I've replaced, but with an integral camera instead.